Hey everyone, so I wanted to show you one of the problems with Windsor real estate. We are doing real estate across Windsor, Essex County, and so Windsor, Essex County real estate in an old factory process. Before COVID, we used a different marketing structure, a marketing process. That was old factory too. It still is kind of old factory. And then it just got worse. 2023, everybody became a realtor, and we're paying for that now because nobody is using a new factory process to be able to get a house sold. They're all choosing the old factory structure. I call it structure number 2. So this is a good example. So here's a house that's priced with the seller's expectation of 3099. Seller's expectation 3099. Seems really logical because the houses in the area that are of this house, like this house, are worth between $305,000 and $310,000. So being at the higher end of the scale is pretty good. But people are just coming back from the holidays. They're just paying attention. Interest rates were just cut again. But then there's this risk of tariffs as well too. Now, tariffs have been worked through at least for a month. So the realtor apparently doesn't really know very much. And so they start the house off at $249,900. Even though the house is worth $310,000, they started off at $249,900. We're going to seek offers a week from now, just after the holidays, when nobody's looking. They're just waking up from their turkey-induced coma. So $249,900. Some reason, I have no clue why. It's a very archaic process. Underprice the house will underperform. Just price the house at what it's worth. We all know it's worth between $305,000 and $310,000. Price it there. Especially if you're using old factory marketing structure number 2. So January 16th, house goes to the market. January 23rd, they get no offers. Or no offers the seller could accept. And the days on the market that week were 24. You could watch my videos. That week was 24, was the average days on market. They were trying to get the house done in 7 days. And they way underpriced what it was actually physically worth, and people are tired of that. It's an old process. Don't bring that process to us. This is 2025. Bring us the right process. Good luck getting that in the city of Windsor. That's where my advantage comes in as well too. So it doesn't sell there. So let's traditionally price it. What you want for it? Okay, great. So they bring it back up at $309,900. Traditional on 123. By 2/4, not even like a week later. By 2/4, when the days on market average are 26 before a house sells, especially at marketing structure number 2, they haven't even given it any time. That's not working. Let's go ahead and let's change it again. Haven't even found the market for it. Haven't even used the right marketing structure. So we know you want $309,900 for it. We get that. It's worth $309,900, sir, but I can't get you there. So I'm going to bring it back at $290,000. So the guy takes a $20,000 price decrease, traditionally priced. Plus, he's going to have to pay commissions in this. It makes no sense. All he would have had to have done was just kept it here. How I would bring it to market is price it there, what he wants for it. With marketing structure 2.5, new factory marketing structure 2.5, new factory pricing, marketing structure 2.5, and that has just a 13-day days on market expectation. And I would have said $309,900, traditionally priced, hurry. Hurry. It's a great house in a good spot that's very affordable, and there's less than 9 weeks of supply of those houses in Windsor, Essex County. then just let it sit, let it stay, let it do its work. Have your social media people put it out there on Facebook and Marketplace and everywhere else, splash it all over the place, but with a new factory marketing structure of 2.5, it will also be separate from everything else. And its time on market for the 2.5ers are running at 13 days. Those with the old factory marketing structure 2 points or old factory marketing structure 2, their days on market are 26. Give it time. Fight like heck, market the hell out of it, and get out there and show and call and talk and do all the same things that I just did on the next road over to get my house sold. And I sold my house for $325. Well, I can't tell you because it's not closed yet. So I didn't give you the last number, luckily. So if you've got a house that you're trying to get sold that's jumping all over the place, I can't step into a house that you already have listed. That's not allowed. Would never do that. But if the listing comes to an end because you've been all over the place, you've tried everything you can possibly think of at marketing structure, old factory marketing structure number 2, and you would like to try new factory marketing structure number 2.5, give me a call. Be right over. With a sign and the paperwork, and we'll get it sold. We could even, this particular house, this might even actually be too low. Maybe it can be 312.9. Don't know. I haven't seen the house yet. That's what my background's in. That's why I have degrees and designations. And with degrees and designations, I might know a thing or two about a thing or two. Maybe that's part of the problem. Maybe the listing realtor only just took their 5 classes and they're a realtor. Congratulations. Here's your little piece of paper. So if I can help you in some way, don't hesitate to give me a jingle. My name is Brian, 519-995-6145. Have a great day. Bye-bye.